Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disable video and voice calls on WhatsApp, and here's how it is done. First, to disable the camera and microphone, go to your phone settings, search for WhatsApp, and access its settings. Then, turn off camera and microphone access. This will block video and voice calls, but also prevent WhatsApp from using the camera and microphone for other features. Next, you can disable WhatsApp notifications through your device settings. Turning off notifications will stop call alerts, but it will also silence message notifications. Keep in mind that you might miss important messages. If you want to block specific contacts, open the contacts profile on WhatsApp. Scroll down and select block. Blocking a contact will stop them from calling you, but it will also prevent them from sending messages. Alternatively, you can activate Do Not Disturb mode on your device, which silences all notifications, including WhatsApp calls, so you won't be disturbed while DND is on. And that's everything you need to know about how to disable video and voice call on WhatsApp. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!